It's so tall, I can't even see the top of it. It must be the biggest living thing on Earth.
And wide too. Let's see if we can give it a hug. No chance.
It must be amazing to be so big.
Well, it wasn't always this size. It started its life as this.
But it's so tiny.
Well, big things come from small beginnings. A cone doesn't turn into a tree overnight. It takes a lot of time and small steps along the way. It starts out as a tiny seed from a cone. The seed grows into a seedling, a young tree, like that one.
That's a young tree?
Oh yes, only about 200 years old.